14 hours in Manila have come to an end and we're off to Indonesia. Welcome to Denpasar. And because I paid my levy before and done all the stuff, I didn't have to join long lines. It was easy breezy getting through the airport, and the airport is so gorgeous. I was already in love. And the ride from the airport to Ubud, the center, is about an hour. Enjoy. Because I'd done all my immigration stuff, it was easy going through. There were no lines, and I just had to scan and go through to find my driver. So that's what I'm doing here.
Greenery. So cigarette smoking is a thing here too. Oh, it's gonna kill me. But it's so pretty. We can't handle the cigarette smoke though. Look at this beauty. Lots of tropical plants. No surprise there.
Yo, my driver had the best 90s and maybe before 90s love song slash R&B playlist. Kenny G, yo, wicked lovers playlist. And I love the drive. I wish I'd arrived during the day to see all these sculptures. Oh my God, it was so gorgeous. So gorgeous. We're in Ubud now, a few minutes from the house. It's early morning, and on our drive from Denpasar Airport to Ubud, where I'm staying, or the center, the tourism center of Bali, we pass a lot of people dressed in white and turbans on the back of trucks and stuff. And I asked the driver, and he said that there was a Hindu, Balinese, Buddhist ceremony or event where they were all going to give blessings. And so, and little known fact, Bali is the Hindu capital in a Muslim country. Koi
So
fish!
pretty. Hi, Koi. Hi. It's plants. They look like kelps. Like the massive seaweeds. But they aren't. I don't think so. Listen to that. This pool is full and deep. My little oasis. Tomorrow morning there'll be a better view. Talk to me nice. Real rich.
Time to see if the images online match the reality, because sometimes the images that they post are doctored, and when you show up, it looks very different. So, moment of truth in the morning. Here we go. Also, listen to the sound of nature. Oh my God. Heavenly.
Those birds keep flying in a circle. Are they coming back? Look at that. Oh, papaya. Yes, these things are offerings. There are a lot of them. And incense burning. I like this thing, their sign.
Something that I loved is that every home tend to have their own temple. So those structures that you see,
What big mouth you have? What's going on? Oh, you're like a sucker fish. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo. A monstera. I don't know what this is, but this is gorgeous. Oh, maybe it's some sort of. Sure, this will cost a lot of money.
I haven't strayed far from my villa or left the property, and I'm already in love with all the flora and fauna of Umah. Oh my God. And it smells heavenly.
This is a palm, whatever it is. It's red.
Lots of butterflies. Oh my God, I was excited. So I ventured from my villa to go check out the rest of the property or the rest of the villas. So these ones were farther back and mine was closer to the road, but they're all gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. So if I were to stay up, I would check out another one. I am in love with the koi pond or tan. No food. I got no food. So we got breakfast in our the price of the thing, and I went with the safe option of pancakes, and I hated it. Everything smelled like raw egg, and I hate the smell of raw egg.
So many butterflies. Ooh. They're so fast.
This passion fruit soda, it's not really soda, was so good, so refreshing, not very sweet. I still think about it.
Hi, bird. Drinking the water.
We needed the rain. Oh my God, it is so hot. It is so humid. Like I'm no longer a tropical girl. It is so humid. So I was grateful for the rain, and I don't really like rain, or maybe rain in Vancouver. But this rain, loved and welcome. Nature sounds at nights are also wonderful to the ear. And next time I'll be going into town. So see you later.